Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the keyword tool and picking the correct project. Once logged in, enter 5 15-seed keywords that reflect your core topic. This gives breadth without noise. Next, make sure to choose language, location, and a reasonable date range so results match your audience. Select match types and any negative keyword filters up front. This reduces irrelevant data. Once done, hit search and let the tool gather volume, CPC, and trend data so you can move to analysis confidently. You now analyze the returned keywords by sorting on volume, CPC, and competition to spot opportunities. Then expand using related suggestions and questions. Prioritize long-tail terms where intent is clear. Make sure to filter for commercial, informational, or navigational intent depending on your goal. Group keywords into clusters or themes so you can plan content or add groups efficiently. Once grouped, use trend and seasonality tabs to time campaigns, and flag keywords with favorable cost and low competition for testing. You finish by prioritizing keywords using ROI potential, intent alignment, and difficulty scores. Create a shortlist for immediate implementation. Export the chosen keywords to CSV and assign them to specific pages, ad groups, or content briefs so execution is straightforward. Then launch tests and monitor CTR, conversions, and position shifts over 2-4 weeks. If results underperform, check match types and negative keywords first. Mismatches there cause most errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.